Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can use Parabolic SAR to make profitable binary options trade in pocket option in an easy way. So watch this video very carefully, because in past I have shown lots of time I have made video related to this strategy, and it have helped a lot of people to make profitable trades. That's why I suggest you to watch this video very carefully till the end. And in previous video also I just showed about making trading with this Parabolic SAR, but in that specific video I forgot to explain each and everything in detail. So that's why I'm also going to explain you each and everything how you need to do all of these setups. So the first thing you need to do is you need to select this OTC pair, and this place, just click on it and then make all of this currency pair favorite that have over 90% payout. Just make this yellow, and then it will start to appear at here in top. Once you do this much, then just click on this candle icon and just select these candles and make it as 5. Okay, and you can see all of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Now in case if this enable timer is not enabled, then make sure to enable it, okay, if it is off, because it will show you this kind of timer so that it will be good for your eyes while you are making some trades. Okay, but if it is off, then this timer will not show at here. So I would suggest you to enable this timer. Now once you do this much, then just click on this indicators. Now see where is the Parabolic SAR. So wherever you see it, just click on it. Okay, once you click that Parabolic SAR indicator, then it will appear at here. Now you don't need to make any changes to its settings, it's already fine. So now once you do all of this, then the important thing is this one. Maybe you are seeing like this flag in your screen in your pocket option account. If it is showing like this, then so just make it this kind of clock and select this as 5. Okay, so your trading time frame will also be of 5 seconds. Now another one of the important thing that I would suggest you to is just use $100 in your account and divide it into 2 parts. Make it $50 each for one trading, or you can also make trade with $25. That's your choice. Okay, you can also make it $25. It is even better if you think it is good for you. If you don't have enough fund, then you can do it too. Now just simply understand what this Parabolic SAR is. So whenever this Parabolic SAR dots are above the candles, then that means the down trade is happening, and whenever this Parabolic SAR indicator is below the candles, then uptrend is happening at the real time. Okay, now whenever this second dot is formed, you should make trade by clicking on lower. Whenever the second dot is formed at here, you need to make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, so candles are above the Parabolic SAR indicator and second dot is forming, at that time make trade by clicking on higher. And if the candles are below the Parabolic SAR indicator and second dot is forming, at that time make trade by clicking on lower. This strategy is as simple as this. It will give you the exact signal where you need to make trade. Now of course all of your trades are not going to be right, but you can use this strategy to make trades to become profitable in long run. So I clicked on higher at here. As you can see here, second dot was forming. Now let's see. So I made a loss at this trade. So now we'll switch to another, and here you can see another second dot was forming. So I made a trade by clicking on higher, and okay, so we made a loss in this. Now we have still $50 remaining. So there is no any second dot. So let's find where we can get another second dot. So in this way you need to find the place where you can make trades. So let's keep on searching. Okay, so we are not seeing at here. So one dot is forming, so let second dot form and make trade by clicking on lower. Let's see what happens in this trade. Yeah, we made profit in this trade. So now again let's see for another place where we can find this second dot. So here you can see second dot had formed, and you could have made trade on this candle and you could have been profitable. But again let's see here also. Here you can see second dot was forming and this market went up. If you had made trade at here, you could have been profitable at here also. So let's keep on looking for our another entry. So here you can see second dot was forming, so we made a trade by clicking on lower. Yeah, we made a profit in this trade. So let's see another. So here was a second dot. Here you could have gone wrong. Okay, this thing happens in trading. You should always accept either you are going to make profit or loss. one thing is obviously going to happen. So you need to have that mindset that you are okay with loss also while making trades. So let's see. So here was second dot, but it was a little bit delayed while we made a trade, but still we have made profit. Okay, in this way you keep on finding. I'll not keep on trading for hours long. You understood the strategy, now just implement it.